How to delete all your connections history on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all your connections, which is friends, groups, likes, and relationships on it's your history on Facebook. How to delete it. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now scroll down until you find your time on Facebook. If it's not work, just go in and go out and go in again. Now all I need to do is click on see your time. Click on see time, and here all you need to do is click on see activity log. Now click on scroll down until you find your connections, and they're gonna give you your connections on Facebook since the beginning till now. All you need to do is select it or just click on all and click on trash and delete all your connections on Facebook. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.